Assalamualaikum, my name is Nuralia Husna. So today I will write C++ for simple program hotel booking room system, which is that I will use array, function, loop and selection structure to manage room reservation. So it began with the include IO stream header, which allow the program to use input and output features such as C in and C out. So the std namespace statement is used that can be written more easily without having to prefix them with std. So next, the program define a constant variable room count equal 5 that which represent the number of room in the system. So this value is set to const so that it cannot be changed during program execution. In the main function, two arrays are declared such as status and name. That the status array store whether each room is empty or reserved, while the name array store the name of the customer who reserved the room. So this array work together using the same index, which is known as a parallel array. So for this program, use a do while loop to repeatedly display a menu until the user chooses to exist. That inside the loop, switch statement are used to control the flow of the program. Based on the user choice, if the user chooses option 1, the program will call the function to display the status of all rooms. This function check each room and display whether it is empty or reserved, along with the customer name if applicable. Other than that, if the user chooses option 2, the reservation function will be executed. In this function, the user enter a room number and the program will first verify whether the input is within a valid range. It then check the status of the room. If the room is empty, status is 0, and the program will change the status to 1 and store the customer name in the corresponding array index, meaning that the room is now reserved. So if the room is reserved, the program will display a message that indicating that the room is unavailable. So for option 3 is chosen, the program will calculate the occupancy rate by counting the number of rooms with a status of 1 and dividing it by the total number of rooms, then multiplying by 100 to get a percentage. So finally, if the user chooses option 4, the program will end. That's all from me. Thank you.